Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your laptop to Wi-Fi. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see a small icon that looks like a radio signal or waves. That's your network or Wi-Fi icon. Click on it once using your mouse or touchpad. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. These are all the networks near you that your laptop can detect. Now look for the name of your Wi-Fi network. This is the same name you set on your router or the one given by your internet provider. Click on it once. Now you'll see a button that says Connect. Click on the Connect button. If your Wi-Fi network is protected, a box will pop up asking you to enter the password. Type in your Wi-Fi password carefully. Make sure you enter the correct letters and numbers. If you are not sure about the password, you can check the back of your router or ask the person who set up the internet. After typing the password, press the Next button. Your laptop will now try to connect. This may take a few seconds. If the password is correct, you will see a message saying Connected. If the connection fails, double-check the password and try again. That's all you need to do to connect Wi-Fi on a laptop. Thanks for watching.